Hey peeps, welcome back to Project Anonymous.
Today's video, we're going to put up some wallpaper on our nice, fresh new wall.
We've been doing a lot of things to this motorhome, so now it's time to do the wallpaper.
Let's finish it up. Alright, so we took this cabinet out and I kind of manhandled it to get it out because it was stuck. And it did not want to come out, and it was secured behind something I couldn't reach. So anyway, I had to take it apart and kind of mess it up. But something I noticed, this back bar here secures to the side of the RV, and it is janky. So part of the installation, they drill a hole out so the wires come out through there, and they can go into this little cubby area. But that's not good. So I'm going to make some more supports that are this length, and I'm going to put on each side of this little cutout here and secure it down so it's a little less janky. What do you think? Sound good? Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to use a pocket screw to hold one side of it. On the back side, I think I'm just going to use a nail just to hold it. It's just, the glue is going to hold it in place. This is just to secure it while the glue is drying. And the way you set this up is the bottom of this little jig here flush with the side that the hole's coming through. And you can see what's going to happen is it cuts this little pocket out for the screw hole to come out right in the middle. Boom. And just like that, that one is done. All right, it's time to do some wiring. I had to cut some wires in order to get the wall on, and I bought some connectors, and I'm gonna go ahead and put those on. So you may have noticed we already have some wallpaper up. We wanted to test this wallpaper specifically before we bought a whole bunch of it, because you always want to test things, right?
So this is the wallpaper we're using?
It is. So we only got one roll of it, and one roll happens to go from the ceiling all the way down to the floor. So and it goes on pretty easily. It's the same kind of stuff that we put on the fridge, where it's like a sticky back, but it's pretty easy to get that bubbles out. So
are you doing this everywhere or just here?
Just along this wall that we replaced the wood on. So the first thing we have to do is take the window frame off so that we can get all the way around the window.
Let's get started.
All right, let's do it.
Hey guys, welcome back to Project Anonymous, and today we're going to be doing this wall now. Again, I am Mike, and I will be doing this wall. First, you're gonna peel this open. Somehow.
Having some trouble already, huh?
No. I made sure to make a bunch of snippy comments, as Megan. I need the measuring tape because most of the time I don't measure, but I'm gonna try measuring this time. You need some tape?
Not yet. I gotta remeasure your measurement.
Did you measure wrong?
No.
So now that we finished the wall, it looks very nice.
Yep, now we just need to rehang the cabinets, put the passenger side console there.
And we'll be finished.
Yeah, we'll be finished before you know it.
And then we can get the floor on it.
Yeah, we can finish the floor.
And the whole renovation will be done.
Almost.
Well, anyway, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the next episodes of us putting this RV together. We only have a few more left, probably.
Probably.
We're almost done. Anyways, please like this video if you liked it.
Like it.
Subscribe to our content.
Subscribe.
And turn on those notifications so you get reminded every single time we post a video. Stay crafty.
And be happy.
Bye.
All right. Now clean up.
Bye.